we will send parachutes all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we are continuing to open our Boker Plus Advent Calendar for the 24 days of Knifemas. And today is December 13th. So let us open box number 13. And what do we got? We have a Boker PVC patch. So we're not just building a knife, we're also getting a bunch of other stuff. And let us pull this out of the package. There we go. And the famous Boker tree. Put this little box back in where it belongs. And now let's get our tray of previously open boxes. And the Boker PVC patch goes right next to the Boker Challenge coin, our neck gaiter, some scales, liners, bolsters, and a blade. So we're getting closer. So thank you so much for spending this day here with me. I hope your December 13th is going well. And please just think about it. In only 11 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.